Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6, subject science. Our today's topic chapter number 2, components of food. You see, the first word, components of food. Food consists of different components. Every day we eat food and from food we get energy. But we should know which different type of foods that are most necessary for our body. So we are going to study in details which components which are required for our body. So here the main components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are nutrients. Correct. Still two more nutrients are there, fibers and water. These are also components of food. Okay. Now carbohydrates, you can see which food we eat then we get carbohydrates. So here you can visualize in pictures potato, capsicum, rice, dal, grapes. You can see, you can visualize bread, broccoli. Correct. So most probable food items from that we can get carbohydrates. Now let's we talk about the proteins. Which type of foods which contain high amount of protein, that is egg, cheese, meat and fish, beans, nuts and seeds. Yums and bread. Fat. Fat we can get from cheese, butter, fish, avocado, nuts and seeds, chocolates. Vitamins and minerals from different type of fruits, vegetable, okay, that you can see. Also fibers, all leafy type of vegetables and water. Okay student, let us take carbohydrates first. Now carbohydrates are also called energy giving food. It is the main source of energy. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. There are three types of carbohydrates: sugar, starch and cellulose. Now sugar, it is a simple carbohydrate having sweet taste. Source of sugars are glucose, sugarcane, milk, fruits such as banana, apple and grapes. These are the source of carbohydrates, but carbohydrates again divided into sugar, starch and cellulose. So these are the sources from which you can get maximum sugar. Starch. Starch, it is a complex carbohydrates. Starch, it is tasteless, colorless, white powder. Source of starches are wheat, maize, potato and rice. So starch, it is a which type of carbohydrate? Complex carbohydrate. It is tasteless, colorless and white powder. Starch that you can find in the market in the form of powder. Sources of the starch are wheat, rubber, maize, potato and rice. Now cellulose. Cellulose that is present in plant cell wall. It is a complex carbohydrate. Humans cannot digest cellulose, right? So we can require sugar and starch only. But this cellulose that is available in the plant cell wall, and it is a complex carbohydrates. But humans intestine, it cannot digest cellulose. So you can open the textbook. Here you can see the chapters. Here you can see the sources of carbohydrates. A meal could consist of chapati, dal, and brinjal curry, right? In textbook, come to the point, that is activity number 2. Dear student, how do you know that food contains starch? For that, take a small quantity of a food items or a raw ingredients. Put 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution on it. That is figure number 2.1. You see, this is the iodine, and this is what potato. Observe if there is any change in the color of the food items. Did it turn blue black? So a blue black color indicates that it contains starch. Repeat this test with other food items to find out which of these contains starch. And enter all your observation in table number 2.2. Here, table 2.2, nutrients present in some food items. Right. Say for example, raw potato. So starch is present, right? So here you have to put yes. Okay. Move to protein. Protein helps in the body growth and prepares the tissue, so it is called body building food. So which component it is known as body building food? Proteins. We get proteins from milk, eggs, meat, fish and all kind of pulse. Right? So chiefly food. From that we get proteins, first of all milk, then eggs, meat, fish and all kind of pulses. Protein molecule is made up of a large number of smaller molecules called amino acids. Now another important points over here. These proteins chiefly they are made up of one type of chemical and that chemical name is amino acids. The daily requirement of protein for adult is 1 gram per kilogram of the body weight. Right? Adult human beings require every day according to his or her weight. He or she require 1 gram protein. 1 gram per kilogram of the body weight. Suppose 50 kg बॉडी वेट है तो 50 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए. 100 kg बॉडी वेट है तो 100 ग्राम्स प्रोटीन चाहिए. पर किलोग्राम 1 ग्राम. करेक्ट. When the body is building new tissue, more proteins are required. So growing children and pregnant lady need more proteins. Here, growing children, you type of children, right? Your status now you are growing, correct? So you require maximum amount of proteins, right? Your body require proteins need too much. लेकिन आप जो क्या खा रहे हो, पड़ीका खा रहे हो, बराबर, आप कुरकुरे खा रहे हो, तो these are not the good things. तो दाल चपाटी राइस होममेड आइटम्स जो मम्मी बनाती है वही आपको खाने का है ना. ये सब खाओगे तो you do not require protein and good components. करेक्ट. सुबह सुबह में आप आते हो स्कूल में, देन यू हैव टू ब्रिंग योर लंच बॉक्स. इन दैट होममेड चीज होनी चाहिए, है ना. सुबह सुबह में आपको दूध पीना चाहिए. मिल्क इज द बेस्ट फूड. पल्सेस खाओ. ओके. लेकिन आप उल्टा ही करते हो. आप लोग सुबह सुबह में खाना खा के नहीं आते हो तो स्कूल में आके सो जाते हो. Students, we do not find any type of interest from the students because lack of these components, lack of proteins and lack of all these type of different components, vitamins, minerals, etc. आप जो खाते हो ना उसमें से आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता है जो जंक फूड खाते हो आप, राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, बी change your behavior, change your food style, correct. Pregnant lady, because pregnant lady having a offspring and that offspring's small, so small to growing that offspring, she requires good enough amount of protein. That's why pregnant lady need more proteins. Come to the textbook. Let's we talk about how do you get that this food item contain proteins. So for that purpose, one small taste is there. Let's we see this taste. Take a small quantity of food item for tasting. If the food you want to taste is a solid, you first need to make a paste of it or power powder it. Grind a mash Grind or mash a small quantity of the food item. Put some of this in a clean test tube. Add 10 drops of water to it and shake the test tube. Now using a dropper, add 2 drops of copper sulfate. In the taste of that carbohydrate, we use which chemical? Iodine. Now in protein, you must have to remember that which chemicals that you have to add: copper sulfate 10 drops, and then 10 drops of the solution of caustic soda. Another chemicals: copper sulfate and caustic soda. 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda. You see here, this is caustic soda and this is copper sulfate. It is used to test the proteins. Check well and let the test tube stand for a few minutes. What do you see? Did the contents of the test tube turn violet? Yes, you can find a violet color indicate the presence of proteins. In the carbohydrate, dark blue color, it indicates the presence of starch. Here in proteins, which type of chemicals require? Copper sulfate and caustic soda. Okay, so now you can repeat this test for another food items and fill this table number 2.2. Okay, now this milk, it contains proteins. Okay, so yes, similarly you can find another food items. Boiled egg, it is also here. Yes, will come. Okay, come to the point. Fats are made up of carbohydrate, hydrogen and oxygen. Butter, ghee, milk, egg, yolk, nuts and cooking oils are the major sources of a fat in our food. An adult needs about 35 grams of fat every day. Our body stores the excess energy in the form of fat. The stored fat, which is used by the body for producing energy as and when required, so fat is considered as a energy bank in our body. Fats are essential for absorption of vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K in the body. Fats in our body also prevent heat loss from the body surface. Dear students, from these fat components, we will see next time. Okay. Till here we see today. So thank you and have a nice day.